Joshua Ferguson of Penygraig Infants is a true recycling hero. He is an enthusiastic and supportive member of the Healthy Schools Eco Council at the school. His passion for all things eco started after he visited the Bryn Picker landfill site when he was just 4 years old and discovered more about recycling and the environment. As soon as he arrived back, Joshua made it his duty to inspect the school's office, staff room and foyer, as well as outside, to check if the school needed an eco improvements. Joshua is keen to spread awareness regarding energy saving, recycling, litter, healthy living and care for living things by discussing these topics with his pupils and staff. Joshua is extremely keen to help educate the school's younger pupils, and he has even spent time on a mini beast hunt with the nursery children, which was educational for all. Joshua's hard work and passion has helped the school strive with regards to all things eco, and he is a true credit to all staff and pupils.